back with another video, you feel me? So this is exotic snacks. So we got gummy noodles. What is this? Yang Yang?
Yang Yang is some type of crackers with strawberry.
Toxic waste. This looks good. I know this is gonna be sour.
They like sour stuff, but I'm not really a big fan of sour stuff.
And then also we have Planet Gummies, the Pocky Sticks, Cocoa Mint. I don't know. What's gonna be? I don't know about that.
I feel like this gonna be good.
I like beef jerky.
I think. I'm sorry.
No, you good. I like beef jerky, but this is the sweet and hot. This is what to say.
I think this is gonna be good, and I know for a fact.
She knows it's gonna be good. This is not exotic, y'all. She's supposed to get something exotic. She gonna get exotic. She
but I never had these before, so I'm gonna be sorry if they're not good. But everybody on TikTok, why am I looking in the mirror? I'm not cross-eyed. It's literally a mirror right behind me. But everybody on TikTok was trying them, and they liked them. You showed this?
Yeah.
I'm nervous about that, though. Yeah, we need some dancing.
You know, COVID. Stand safe.
My nose, my body.
Which one try first?
You choose. It's not choosing. This, no. Let's try something that we already know is good.
Nah.
We should start with these.
Go ahead. I like pretzels, but I don't really do all that chocolate cover stuff.
I feel like I'm more into, I don't know though, because I think I'm over them now because I was eating so much. Like, how you open this?
Stays here, but I think you missed it.
I never see that. I feel like they manufacture. Oh, this thing is dirty. Yo, we did 3 videos. Well, it's like 30 videos.
Yeah. Go ahead, we can work together. She was trying to, you feel me? I just opened it up.
Okay, go ahead. We gotta wait till we get one.
Yeah. Good. But I can eat them all the time, though.
Yeah. But they good, though, ain't they?
Good.
I didn't buy these ones wasn't to share.
I see. She knew what she was doing.
But you can't eat a lot of these because they break your face out.
Yeah.
But they so addicting.
We gotta try some gummy noodles.
You went straight to it, didn't you?
Yes. Y'all hear that? Yes. Now this is exotic. She had that before. We ain't never had this before. So.
This is exotic.
There it comes.
I think you're supposed to you should show them like up close.
Oh, it comes like. See the noodles, but it comes like the noodles in there. So I'm gonna grab it. Oh, this a little like this supposed to be an egg.
Oh, I can't wait to try that one. What's this one supposed to be?
It said on the box. Oh no, these are candy toppings. These are candy toppings. Then these are like the noodles.
You should show them up close. Don't eat it yet. Oh, they got 2 eggs.
There you go.
So you gotta eat the egg. Go show them. Show it up close. While you cheating and eating first. I'm not really excited about the sour ones. What was your first impression of it? I think this looked pretty cool.
Sure.
I feel like the candy topping is like a peach. You ever had a peach before? How did this taste?
The noodles were good.
Trey loves candy.
Yeah, this is what that is.
Peach. This is like soft. Really soft. I don't know how it's going to
These vegetables. They're vegetables.
Let me try one of them. Why you just eating them without me? I like the noodles. The noodles taste like, it got the texture of, you know, like when you put the twist rings apart.
Yeah, I love candy.
I just don't like how it gets stuck in my teeth.
Yeah. But it's good. It's real good.
Yeah.
Get
I
an
don't
egg.
like the vegetable.
Get that egg. Oh, this
Ew,
is
I don't
egg.
like that. I need to try this.
I wouldn't know you.
Before me.
It tastes like the one is what's the name? Yeah. Man, wasn't that bad?
Ew.
Get an egg.
I don't know if I like this box. Oh wait. What would you rate this?
That's a 10.
It's him?
Yeah,
It's
that's
10 out of 10, I know.
This?
He chose this box. Okay, I would rate the noodles
The noodles was a 10.
8 out of 10, only because I don't like how it gets stuck in my teeth.
The noodles was a 10 to me, but this right here, I did eat the whole, like the thing she just put out. I did eat all of it, but I get that like a 5.
I
give it like a 5.
I give that like a 4, 3 or 4. I don't like that.
And then the egg.
I think I'm a texture type of person.
I ain't feeling her. Like,
I don't like that. It's like hard. It really look like yolk.
then we got candy shrimp. These are called candy
Oh, it
shrimp.
really look like shrimp. I wonder if they can see it. I wish I could see it. They really do look like shrimp.
Like shrimp. Go ahead, go for it. Like,
It got lemon in it. It is like some type of lemon in it. I wasn't expecting that.
it's different.
Mango.
Yeah. And
The
then
egg, that was a
we trying
4.
another vegetable.
5. This might be good because it's green. Lord, don't forsake me.
But I give what we just ate. That was like a 9.
Altogether.
That was a 9.
I'll give it like altogether. Let's try this first.
It was good.
It's very chewy.
Yeah.
I'll do this.
It was good. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, I can see green. I can go.
It was good.
I'll give it a 7.
Is that right?
A 6.
I get a box. The whole thing, a 9. If it
Only
wasn't,
because the noodle
if it wasn't for this,
and the egg.
it would have been a 10, but I give it a 9. What you want to be next? You can buy some tickets.
I need to get that out the way.
Y'all, these pot, you like these? Well, I know you
I
had
had
the
them
regular,
before.
yeah. But did you have
Strawberry kind.
the strawberry is good, but this right here is
And I had the
cocoa mint.
the Oreo. It was kind of like Oreo, but I don't know if I like mint.
You don't like mint.
I don't
You
know
had-
if I do.
You had mint ice cream.
cream?
Yeah.
I had it before.
You know what it tastes like.
I had it before, but I don't know if I liked it. I can't remember.
Alright, y'all. Go ahead.
Ew, they look weird. Look at them.
They look like a incense.
Oh,
You know, like your
I'm
mom,
scared.
have your mom or auntie ever like lit an incense in your house and put it in like a little thing.
it
and
definitely smells minty.
it does.
But I never seen like a Pocky stick this dark before. What is it called, Pocky?
Yeah, Pakistan.
Yeah, I've never seen a Pocky stick. You go
Chocolate
first.
cocoa mint.
When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up a fool and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself
It's
again.
different.
I'm
It's
a
different, so
break, everybody
different.
try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies who used to be my friends. Pull me up a fool and I feel like myself
It's not
again.
bad.
Roll me up some dope and
I think they own something with this.
I like this.
Yeah. This is my second one, so
We did good choosing the snacks. Y'all, we want to do snack box reviews, like the exotic
Yeah.
snacks.
I'm about to order some off Amazon.
And then we gonna start thinking like
My
conversations,
third
the whole story time to do.
These are not that bad.
I like these.
Yeah.
Actually, you got really good. If y'all haven't Five and Below, go there and get these.
Yeah,
Oh, we got all our snacks from Five and Below.
They got a nice variety of like crazy
I
stuff.
just wish they had more exotic snacks. Yes, sir. I don't like. I really like these.
Yeah, I just had like 3. Y'all, next we gonna do this.
Anything but that.
Anything with this?
I want to say these for last. No, I kind of want to say these for last. This for the second one.
Y'all, we gonna do this right here. I gotta show y'all. It's Yan Yan strawberry cream. Like, look at this. Yan Yan strawberry cream.
You know what we should do until some snacks from?
Where?
Kroger's.
Yeah. But this got like a little
This is like
cream
last minute stuff though.
freaking dip. It smell like yogurt.
Oh, it do smell like yogurt. What is this like? Dang, look how thick the sticks is. Is it good?
Take
Yo,
it.
I don't know, your face is not making me scared.
Come on, take it.
It look good though. It definitely smell like yogurt. But it's not this. The consistency is like.
It tastes great. Eat the whole thing together. Eat the whole thing together. Come on.
You
got
eat
some
it.
on me.
Eat it.
No.
Do the stick, like take the. Like,
I like it. I like it. It's good.
you
like
know what they taste like?
What?
The ones I had. Oh, they got stuff on it. They got jokes on it.
Oh, Born to Dig mold. Oh.
What?
What's Born to Dig? A mold.
What eats more carrots?
Buddy.
Nope.
What?
A rabbit. But I'm not really feeling the whole different thing. Like I like when it's already together.
Already got it.
What's flying a flying memo? This is really cool. It got so the flying animal is a bat, and it got a picture of the bat up here. You guys can't see it, but it got a picture of the bat right there. Come on to the next one. I ain't really feeling this.
I get that right there. Yeah, that's 6.
I want to try.
Yeah, that's 6. That.
Yeah, I love beef jerky. I ain't gonna lie, but I never had the sweet and hot one. So if the sweet and hot one is your favorite, please comment down below and tell us. Now, if it's nasty, I'm gonna look at you weird.
Let us know what you think.
If it's nasty, I'm gonna be looking at you weird.
I think it's gonna be good.
I don't know how to open nothing. We so close to what I want to try. I'm so excited. I'm gonna get a small. I'm glad
They're gonna be like.
this show
That's a
like
nice
small.
piece.
I want to get this piece.
I'm gonna get the.
If I like, I'm gonna get a bigger piece. Cause
You show them
okay, so
the bag too.
the
Yeah, sweet and hot. You feel me?
we didn't get a thumbnail. Let's do it with this.
Wow. What's that?
It's good.
It's good. It's dry, but it does be jerky. But it's good. You don't like it? It's sweet and hot. It's good.
It's different.
It's different, but it's good. I don't know. I like beef jerky.
I definitely like beef jerky, but this one
It's different.
is different. It's not nasty, but it's not good either. It's like
Working on a weekend like usual.
What you rate it?
Way off in
Oh,
the deep end like
what do you rate this?
Niggas swear
I
they
would give
pass
that like
like they
6.
doing too
That's
much.
it.
Haven't done my taxes, I'm too
That's the
Same.
yin yang.
Virgil got a pack
6.
on my wrist going nuts.
These right here,
Niggas call me slipping.
that sweet and hot beef jerky. I give these a 10. I like these. I like beef jerky anyway, so this is just.
I give it like,
Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up.
it's not nasty.
She going back for a second one, so it gotta be good. It can't be nasty.
I give it like an 8.
You wouldn't double back or something if it wasn't
Okay.
good. Yeah.
I don't know how I feel about it.
It's not bad.
I give it like an 8. But would I buy this again? No.
Yeah. Alright, go ahead.
Well, this is the only one I can choose before.
What is
I've
it?
been wanting to try these for so long. It's called the Kinder Bueno.
Bueno. It's like
Is that how you
chocolate. Yeah.
Bueno bar. And it's like a crispy, creamy chocolate bar, and it got
Chocolate
a
wafer.
creamy nut filling.
Crispy wafer with creamy nut filling. And
But
milk
I'm pretty sure
chocolate.
y'all probably tried this before. I'm really late.
Oh, it even comes separately packaged.
Can we just like split that in there?
You won't, yeah. You don't think you'll like it?
But I don't want to be wasted.
Life is good.
Or what if I like it?
I don't like it, yeah.
But I do like how it come like separately packaged. That's cool.
It's like 2, so I'm gonna split this. Oh crap. Yeah.
Oh, it looks good. Like the inside.
Yeah. I'm going through. I was about to taste it. It looks good, y'all. I ain't gonna lie.
What if it's nasty though?
I think it look good.
It looks very appetizing.
Go ahead.
Let's go together.
1, 2, 3. Come on.
I don't know why I be so scared to try new stuff.
Come on, I'm ready. I want to see what this tastes like. It looks good. Come on.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be ready for the packages. That I don't know, Pooh.
I'm about to eat this.
Zay might be your guy.
Come on, go. Look, y'all. Playing with y'all.
It's good.
It tastes like a nutty bar.
Nutty bar.
Just milk chocolate. That's it. Tastes like a nutty bar. But the filling inside they got a filling inside.
The filling is different.
Yeah. It's milk chocolate.
In the inside.
Yeah, that's what I say. It says creamy
I
nut
don't know
filling.
why I would choose something like this because I don't really like a lot of chocolate.
Yeah.
Honestly, this might be the only chocolate that I
So,
like.
so what you rate this? Bueno.
I give it like
The creamy chocolate bar.
I give it a 7 because it's not horrible. It's just not like.
I give it an 8.
Hey, you really like it?
It's decent. It ain't bad. It's
Eat
decent.
it again.
No, I don't want another one.
He don't like it, y'all. He just capping for the camera.
It really is not that bad.
Now this last.
This last?
Yeah, because they're
Ooh.
sour. I don't want to do it.
You don't want to do it. This looks the best right here.
Honestly, I feel like these are gonna be really
Really
good.
good.
And I've been waiting to try these.
What are those?
These are the Planet Gummies. Everybody on TikTok was trying them when people were eating the Tide Pods.
Yeah.
So they said this is similar to how a Tide Pod, like the texture of a Tide Pod. So I'm really curious, and I want to try the slime. The licking thing.
It comes separately packaged. Oh yeah. It's
They
like a little
smell-
herb.
Ooh, they smell so good.
That's weird.
That you can smell it.
It smells good. It smells like something I would throw in with my clothes.
It smells so good.
I'm about to open this bad boy up. It's hard to open up.
Oh, it is.
Oh, y'all, I got it
Oh,
open.
it smells like blueberries. It smells so good. Y'all, this is what it looks like. I want to feel the texture. Feel the texture. Feel the texture.
I don't think I'm gonna like this.
Why?
Go ahead. Bite into it.
You bite into it. Wait, you gotta put the whole thing in.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Wait, this, the ice ice is good. Look.
No, it don't.
Oh, I don't know. You gotta eat the whole thing.
Oh, darn. You're fine.
I like it.
The creamy stuff inside.
The texture is weird. I think the only thing that's throwing me off.
I can get it out. It's not bad.
It's definitely the texture. But the flavor itself is really good.
The cream filling inside is
It's
good.
it's sour. Let me see something.
Yep. But it's the texture, like you said. The texture is very different. It's like
Very chewy and soft. And
it didn't have a taste to me.
the ball itself,
Yeah, it didn't have a taste.
it tastes like blueberries.
Really? I ain't taste no blueberries.
It was good. The ball was really, really good. To me, it was just the texture.
The texture. I give it a 9 because
But
of the
a lot
texture.
of people like this because of the texture.
I like it because of the cream
But
filling.
I like, what's very shocking is I like mochi ice cream
You don't like that. It stayed in the freezer all for a week.
because it was because like when you bite into something and it be like real cold. I don't like that,
You
but
like that?
I like the way it
The
tastes
texture.
and I like the texture. It was really good.
The ice cream was so nasty, y'all. I would never get that.
I liked it. I don't want to do that one.
But y'all, last but not
Let's
least.
see who can do it without making a face.
All right, toxic waste, man. So open it up. It's a little sticker. It says, "Can you handle the sour?" So you know this is sour. Like y'all know this is.
We gotta close our eyes to choose our flavor.
Okay. Let me see.
So we got what's the green one? We got apple.
This watermelon. Apple,
Oh, I hope
watermelon,
I get watermelon.
lemon,
Oh, they got black cherry.
black cherry, and blue raspberry. Let me see. Are you missing one?
No. Oh,
That's
wait.
it.
Cherry. Did you do cherry?
Cherry.
Black cherry.
No, we got black cherry. Yeah.
What's this one?
I think we got all the regular ones. Apple.
Watermelon.
Yeah, we got that. Them the colors.
Okay. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, I'm low-key scared. And guess what? And then this also turns into a piggy bank.
Piggy
A
bank,
train
yeah.
thing.
So go ahead.
That's really cool to me. I wanna see.
Wait a minute.
That's cool.
Put your phone here.
Yep. My eyes touch it.
So close your eyes.
I just really hope I don't get lemon. If I get lemon, I get a redraw.
Nah. You ready?
I need
Tell
to
me
get
your
some
eye.
lemon. It is. What if I have pink eye?
Nah. You itch your eye too much though. Let me see. Yeah, tap into your eye.
But it itch.
Rinse it out. Cold water. Ready? Close your eye. Go ahead. Pick one. No. Come on.
Wait, let me mix you up. My eyes is open. Ah, black cherry. God dang it. Black cherry gonna be sour because cherries are sour themselves.
Man, I ain't gonna see y'all. She's trying to look. Stop doing that thing.
It is. Cherry was lucky.
I got lemon.
He got lemon. All right, ready?
Yeah.
You can't make it. You can't make it with no face. But if I mess up, I get a retry.
She get a retry if you mess up.
If you make a face before me, I'll win.
I don't get no retry? That's dope. This thing is hard to open, y'all.
I'm scared.
Let's hope these out. You ready?
Nah, baby. I'm about to make a face.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Come on, go. Go, come on. Yeah. Come on.
Wait.
1.
I'm scared.
Come on, let's go. Come on, you ready? 1, 2, 3, go. What are you doing? You trying to play.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. It's good. I thought it was gonna be bad, but I like it. You don't like it. How that was it? It's good.
I'm winning this.
Man, alright, let's go.
I'm winning. You know, I was just really smiling through the scar faces.
I like it.
I don't like this.
I like it.
I will never go in here and get another flavor.
What was your best candy?
My best candy or my best?
Your best snack that you tried besides the milk chocolate pretzels.
The mint or
The milk chocolate pretzels.
I like the Pokies. I really like them. I honestly thought this was gonna be my favorite, but it was only because of the texture.
Yeah, I like the beef jerky,
Would you rate this?
and I like this. But I rate this a 10. This is good too. The beef jerky, I liked it. The noodles, and I like.
But y'all know something funny? Trey picked out all the snacks. That should say something. This is the only thing I picked out. This and this. Well, I picked these out too.
Yeah, beef jerky is good.
And I don't even like the beef jerky. I like it now that it's not sour. But my favorite, let me tell y'all everything that I like about this snack that we tried. I like the inside of this. This was really, really good. What you like about it?
The filling, yeah. The texture I don't like.
The texture, but the flavor of the actual ball was good. Like
yeah,
the whole
Plenty gummies.
flavor, it was good.
The Plenty gummies. Texture was disgusting to me.
Would you buy it again?
No.
I probably would buy it again.
I wouldn't get it again.
What you say?
No. It was the inside.
Oh, what I like from here is the noodles.
Mm.
The noodles was good. Everything else was disgusting. I'm not gonna lie to you.
I like it.
The noodles was really good.
The noodles were fire. Everything was fire for this.
What I liked about, it's not that I don't like these. I just can't figure it out. Like, I'm gonna try to. Oh, it's the yellow left. I just can't figure it out. Like what I like and what I don't
Like what?
like about these. I can't. It's not that they nasty. It's just that they in between.
Y'all, and the bar wasn't that bad. The Bueno Krispy Kreme. I said Krispy Kreme chocolate bar was honestly not that bad at all. Like it tastes like a it tastes like, what is it?
I think
a nutty bar, but it's just not the peanut butter.
I think what was nasty to me about this, like I like the whole chocolate away from something, but I don't like the filling. But like I was saying before, I was really interrupted by the camera. The nutty, when he said that it tasted like a nutty bar, I thought that the nutty taste was gonna taste like a nutty bar, but it didn't taste like that. Like the taste is definitely very creamy. And I feel like it's mixed with chocolate. Like not the outside of chocolate, but when it's too much chocolate, I just can't do it. It makes me sick. I love everything about this, and I honestly thought I wasn't gonna like this. The only thing I like from him, I don't like the flavors separate. Like I don't like.
Both of them together makes it.
Yeah, but I like the sticks. The sticks are good. Tastes like just regular crackers. It really remind me. The sticks remind me of Ritz crackers. This I don't like sour candy. So that sour was getting to me. I hate sour candy.
Well, y'all, we got some more snack boxes coming soon.
I'm tired now.
Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what box you would like us to try next. If you have something that in particular that you want us to try.
Or what from what country you want us to try it from.
They have Japan, Colombia, all different kinds of places. So just let us know.
Yeah.
And if you watching this video, and you're not subscribed, why not? Just subscribe. Get this video a thumbs up, you know what I'm saying?
Like, comment, and share our video to all your social media accounts.
All of them.
All of them.
Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook.
All of them.
Messages.
All of them.
All of them.
All of them. Every last one of them.
Every last one.
I'm kind of tired.
We out.
We out this side.